Packing Way, happy on the way. Hello, this is Melissa from Sunshine Packing Way.
Hello, this is Jessica.
Okay, today we have a new release product, Cookie Box, which is for our new client. And we would like to show because we have a lot of products. And we want to open the box and show our clients how our cookie box looks like. Let's get in here. So you can see we got a lot of cartons, which is well packed. And we got black color, and the red color. Okay, maybe let's take one box for the red color to show. Okay, so you can see it's packed by the carton box, and the carton box is really strong. Okay, let's cut the box and show what's inside. And you can see how our cookie box packed is really, you can see it very clearly. Wow! Let's open it. You can see this is the lid, and you can see it's really well packed. All by the piggy bag. Let's put in here. And then the other part is our base. Okay, it's also like 25 pieces in a pack, so it really looks like very strong to pack. Okay, next step, let's cut the bag and take our base and the lid out from the bags. Okay, it's really well packed though. Okay, this is the base. As you can see, the base is like packed by each ear. And I will show you how to assemble it. It's really easy. So you can see we have a hose in here. You just put the air inside. See? Very convenient, very fast. One step, you can like assemble the base. Just inside. Finished. Okay. Another part is our leaves. Let's cut. Okay. Wow, it's not so easy because it's really well packed. Okay. Here we are. This is our list. As you can see, it's with a PET window, which is the window is really big. You can see inside the cookies, mixed biscuits very easily. So for the list, you don't have to put the ear in because it's really thick and very strong. You just open it and cover the lid to the base. As you can see. Wow, very easy and very convenient. This is our cookie box. You can see we can make different sizes, and this one is rectangle, and the height is also customer size. You can check what you want. It's really suitable and beautiful for like seasonal holidays, weddings, and different parties. Also, okay, thank you, Jessica. Also, you can see we have the blue color. Okay, that's also the blue color. Blue color, this is the baby blue. Baby blue is like many Europe and the other clients really like this color. As you see, it feels like it can make your cookies look more beautiful and look more attractive, and also very easy to assemble. You see? Okay, just please help me also. Okay, this is the blue one, really good. And oh, this size is a little bigger. The red one. Oh, this is my favorite color. It's the pink color. Also with one pink color printing and with the cross lamination. As you can see, it's the same style and the same work. You just have to like put the ear to each hole, which is really easy and fast for you to assemble the box. And then just open it, cover. It's good. Oh, this is the red color, right? Yes. Wow, red color is also really classic, right? Classic. Okay. Oh, this is the square one. As you can see, different sizes. Its red color is also very classic and okay. Okay, we have 4 different color cookie box. I hope you like it, and just get inside and send us inquiry if you like it, and I hope you like it. So that's it. This is our show, and let's finish it. Thank you, bye. Thank you, happy on the way. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Okay.